Hello and welcome to my Sunday farm. So today I have a fun little haul and we'll just open these packages here at the desk because why not? This is like a huge bag. So the first thing I got was because I think I bought a buy one get one 50% off, and it was Cheerios, Fruit Loop Cheerios. Because like I like oat products made of oat milk, oat cookies, oat cereal, oat snack cakes, but that one came with a coupon, and it allowed me to purchase this one as well with the same coupon. And this is Poofs with lotion. So I don't know, my mom likes those, so I went ahead and bought it in case she visits. And then I bought for her a FC Cincinnati top right here. And I don't think it's the same one I have. I'm not too sure. Let's see. It's an Adidas top. And this one costed like maybe under $7. It was like six something. So you can see right there on the top, it has the Adidas logo, and then it says Football Club Cincy. Isn't that cute? It says Cincy on there. And then here's the back, FC Cincinnati, the orange and blue. Isn't it so cute? What does it say on the side? All for Cincy. So I thought it was so cute, and I'm excited to give it to her next time she visits. I remember my mom was literally a soccer mom. She was like at every game that we had. My mom, when we were kids, was so much fun. So I'm just gonna put a tape on it because like I don't want it to get messed up, and I have to put this away. So the next one is another big bag. Let's see what is in here. I think that's it. Just these three items. And then I got these Silky Touch. I always get these because like I like how they're slim and it's kind of like a good grip that I can get. And they're also soft, like the razor is like really light, and it's not like like you see the men's razors are real durable. Like they're not like that. They're like really forgiving. So like you won't hardly get as much, like if you have a hardcore razor, like no, these are just double blades. You can see on the top, and it comes with 30. See, it comes with 30. And like if you want to share, you can share like just like just cut it in half. Like I'll just half, give that other one away. And this one is because I bought. Oh, and those razors are under like $5. Man, they're good. They're a good deal. And this one was two something, so this was under $3. And these are 3x4 top loader card holders. I know my nephew, he like collects cards, and I collect cards. Like I used to collect cards. Like, so now I bought one card, and I'll show you what it is. So I think I'll get mine out now. That way I won't get capped on. How do you open this thing? Just cut the top. Did I get it? I'll get mine out. You know what I mean? Because I just needed the one, so let me try to pull mine out without damaging it. And I'll just like, I just needed one, but I figured I'll just give the rest away. And, you know, I think it for $2 and something, like $2.99 or whatever. I think it's a good deal. Like if I need that, you know, that was a good deal. And then I got my mom some pajamas. She said she wanted some pajamas, and she always wears pink. Like, so I just thought to get her pink, and I don't want to like be like, oh, she always wears pink and like assume, but she does always wear pink. Like I always wear pink too, but we're always, I guess, matchy, but not on accident. I mean, on accident, not like we match clothes. So this is the BCBG outfit. It was under $10. It's a short sleeve with a little collar, and it has piping or whatever you call it. And you see, it's called soft rib, and it retails at $68. So I got it for about 10% of its original price. And they're like, they don't go all the way down. They're like capri, but you can see the piping thing right here. And you see the waist is real soft, like it's real soft. And see, this is the pant. Just very simple, very, very soft. I would say these are really soft and comfortable feeling. And I think for 99 or whatever, I think it's a steal. It's literally name brand BCBG, Max Cesario. I love his clothes. Absolutely love his clothes. And he's a really, really great guy. Like every time he's at his shops or something, I'll go buy something whenever I have time. So let me close this back up, and thank you all for watching. Because like I have to put them up so they don't get and I'll see you on the next video, and hopefully maybe we can do a recipe video next. And I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one, my Sunday fun. Bye-bye.